When I first started my online business, I had this crazy notion that I can start a business for free without ever investing in myself, without ever even thinking about spending one dime. And I think honestly, when I think back to that is just like crazy. It's kind of like ludicrous to think that you could never really invest in yourself and then build this massive business that's really going to pay you, large amounts of money, in income. And so that's one of the crazy things that people tend to do, is that they think that they can build a huge business and make a lot of money without ever investing in themselves. And I think one of the reasons why they think that is because they see maybe programs or they attend seminars and they sell them on this dream of, being able to start a business for free and never really putting any investment in yourself. And so what I want to do is I just want to talk about for a second how important it is to spend money in order to make money in your business. Now, I know a lot of you that are watching this video are probably new to having an online business, or maybe you're just even thinking about starting an online business and you're saying to yourself, like, wait a minute, I don't have a lot of money to invest in my business. I'm just starting off. I want to be able to start off in my business not really spending any money at all. And I totally agree with that, because that's basically where I was in my business when I first started. I didn't want to spend any money at all. I started off with all the free tools that I could come across. That's what I started with, and that's what I began to use. And that's totally fine. But I want you to think like long term and think bigger if you want your business to grow. So if you want your business to grow, you have to think about the things that you need to invest in. For example, one of the things I invest in for myself is personal development. I mean, starting a business and even growing a business, just being an entrepreneur, is very difficult. And so I think that you should have some type of personal development, something that can help, encourage you to stay in the game, things that can help develop certain parts or aspect of your life so that you can grow into a better person, that you can grow your business the way that you want to grow your business. And so personal development is very important to me. I invest in seminars, I read books, I'm always listening to audios, things that can motivate me and teach me how to, just be a better person overall. So I invest in things like that. Another thing that I invest in is I invest in marketing tools for my business. Now, I didn't do this in the very beginning, but now in my business, I do. I invest in marketing tools for my business. So, for example, I have a YouTube channel here. And so one of the things that I had to start investing in is equipment for my YouTube videos. When I first started doing videos, I just started off with the camera, hooked my camera up, put it on a tripod, and start recording videos. And that worked well for me. But as I started thinking about what I can do for my business, branding for my business, and really taking my videos to this point of having them look professional, then I wanted more things for my business. So I still work my job. So one of the things that I would do is every time I got paid, I would always purchase one thing for my business. So I wanted to have better lighting. I didn't want to rely on just the daylight of doing videos. So I started buying additional lighting tools. I started to get other things for my business, such as microphones. And then I also wanted better editing tools. So I increased my, vision for having, better editing. So I got a different editing program. So I started investing in myself little by little to grow my business and to make sure that my business looked the way that I want it to look, especially for my videos. And so now that I'm moving more into advancing my business and I'm building a blog, then I have blogging tools and things like that. Now, I know you're probably thinking like, okay, now you're doing all of these different things to invest in your business, but I also make money in my business. So it takes some time to get to that point, but I just want you to think long term about, investing in yourself and investing in your business. And to know that it does take spending some money to make some money. And it's not such a bad idea. It's not a bad thing to do, especially if you're growing your business and you're looking long term. And so if you're at a point in your business where you're making money, then you can turn around and take that money and invest back in your business. If not, then you may have to spend some money up front in order to reap that, reward on the back end. And so those are the things that you should be thinking about. You can think about investing in yourself and investing in your business. And that's what really, really will help your business to grow. People will notice that your business is, of course, looking better. And then as you grow your business and you start making more money, then you can be able to invest even more in your business. But I just want to throw it out there how important it is to, know that you cannot build a viable business totally for free. It always takes some input of you putting something into your business, and it's usually going to eventually boil down to money. I mean, yeah, you can put a lot of time into your business, but at some point in time, you're going to have to spend some money for your business. And so that's what I wanted to talk to you about, of how important it is that you have to spend a little bit of money in order for you to make a little bit of money. So guys, if you are starting a business, an online business for that, then think long term. Think about where your business could be long term. So alright guys, I hope you got a little value out of this video today. If so, give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And also, I'm always creating content just like this on my channel for people who are looking to start a business and make passive income from home. And so if that's you, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, come back to my channel and check out videos like this. I'm always doing tutorials. I'm always teaching you guys the things that I'm doing in my business right now to grow my business, to make a profit. I'm teaching you guys that here every single week when I drop videos. So make sure that you come back and check me out. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.